I describe Sprinterra as highly capable, a responsive development partner that's also just really easy to work with. And that, for us, that combination has been huge. So it's one thing to find the technical expertise, but it's another to find a team that communicates well, stays organized, and can jump in without making every engagement feel heavy and complicated. We've been able to implement a number of integrations with third-party systems, which has helped our clients operate in a much more connected and efficient way across their tools. And on top of that, we've delivered customizations within JMIS Prime that really fine-tune the ERP to fit how our clients actually operate. So as our client base continues to evolve and their needs become more complex, we've been able to evolve right alongside them, which has really been huge for us and our clients and wouldn't have been possible before we partnered with Sprinterra. I think we've done at least 8 integrations and with different systems with Sprinterra, and gosh, the number of customizations is, I would say, at least 20 at this point. The timelines between the projects vary, but as far as how could we measure those results, those are numbers of projects that before Sprinterra we would have just had to say no to. They'll come to us and say, hey, we need a way to automate this. So that's where we brought Sprinterra in to work with us to do the actual development work, and always have just had a really positive experience. I'd say we don't deliver development work if it's not meeting the needs that the clients have initially requested. So I would say our satisfaction percentage is almost at 100%.